guys, today in this instructional video we're going to talk about how to make a button compost. We say that we grow button on a prepared compost. So on the resources that we talked about, we spoke of horse manure. So this is our horse manure. It's mostly straw, as we explained on the notes. Then we also use straw. On the notes that we shared with you, we spoke of straw. We actually mentioned that the best straw is wheat straw. But if there is no around you, no wheat straw, you can actually use straw, especially this one that is not difficult to decompose. It's not difficult to decompose. You can use the same. Here there's no need of cutting the straw to become smaller, unless if you have that bigger grass, the grass like this one. That's where you may be needing to chop. When you have grass like this, you may need to be chopping it. But if you have straw like this, you don't need to chop it. So on our day one, we take our straw. Remember, we put it on a concrete. We take this as an example, but we use a concrete slab. On a concrete slab, we will put our straw. It goes to about 30 to 40 centimeters. Then that's where we take our horse manure, then we put it on top. Our horse manure, remember, this should be bigger, like 2 meters, and it's going 8 meters. So that's how we do it. Then we do another layer of grass, another layer of horse manure, another layer of grass, another layer of horse manure, up to until our compost is up this side. Then after we've done that, that's when we will start watering until all the water is now oozing out below the compost. When it's oozing below the compost, it has to become draining to our drip hole, where we actually take all that water and put it back on our compost. That's how we make our compost. On day 4, that's when we put gypsum. So when we are putting gypsum, we do the same process. 30 centimeters of the compost, then we put gypsum. We add compost, we put gypsum, adding a little water where on those areas there is not enough water. That's how we make our button compost. Then we talked about casing soil. Now our casing soil is the one that we have. We pasteurize it simpler this way. So when we are pasteurizing our compost, our casing soil, pasteurizing our casing soil, we use these plastics. Then you spread your soil there. Then you add formalin to the water, or if you don't have formalin, you use jig. You add it, then close the soil with black plastic for 3 days. Just close it tightly like this for the next 3 days. Then after that, on day 14, that's when you case your bags. Thank you.